How to delete a column from Pandas DataFrame. To delete a specific column from a Pandas DataFrame, you can use pop method of the DataFrame object. Consider that we are given a DataFrame with 3 rows and 3 columns. The 3 columns are name, quantity and demand. And we would like to remove the quantity column from this DataFrame. To remove the column, call the pop method on the DataFrame object and pass the column name that we would like to remove from the DataFrame. Since we would like to remove the quantity column from the DataFrame, we are passing it as argument to the pop method. Print the resulting DataFrame to the output. Run the program. The quantity column has been removed from the original DataFrame. Instead of quantity, let us remove the demand column. Run the program. The demand column has been removed from the original DataFrame. Only the name and quantity have been left in the original DataFrame. Concluding this video, we have seen how to use pop method of DataFrame object to delete a specific column from a DataFrame by the column name with well-detailed examples. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.